Okay, today we're going to do something different. I gave away my air fryer, not because I don't like air fryers, but because my new one is coming and it hasn't arrived yet. So, like I said, tonight we're going to try something different. We're going to start by heating up our stainless steel pan to a medium-high heat. Since we're using an induction burner, that doesn't take very long. And then we're going to hit it with a quick spray of olive oil. We're going to try to do this basically using as much oil as we would have used had the air fryer been here. So, once our pan has come up to a decent temperature, we're going to hit it with a quick spray of olive oil. Then we're going to throw in a chicken thigh that has been flattened. Then we're going to turn our heat down to a medium heat. To that, we're going to add a bit of black pepper, and that's it for now. And once the temperature has dropped to a medium heat, we will cover it. To our 155 grams of chicken thigh, we're going to add 87 grams of onion, and again, we're going to cover it, and we want them to kind of steam and get soft rather than get color. Alright, now to that mixture, we're going to add 38 grams of banana peppers, and again, cover it. And then after that, sat for a little bit, we're going to add 71 grams of mushrooms. And to all that wonderfulness, we're now going to add some Italian seasoning. And a couple pinches of seasoning salt. We'll give that a quick stir. And again, over a medium-low heat. After I take a quick look, we're going to let that cook off and build up some steam. So I flipped the chicken breast over, or chicken thigh over. It seems to got some good color. Now to that, we add 146 grams of tomatoes. And we let that cook off for a bit. So now, this has been cooking up for a while. The tomatoes are soft. And now we add the second to last of our ingredients, which is dandelion greens. These are red dandelion greens. I wish I could say I picked them myself, but I just bought them at my local farmer's market. Now, we want to mix this up pretty good. We want to get the chicken to the top. Now, as you can see, we built up quite a bit of stuff on the bottom of this pan. And we're going to end up deglazing this pan. You can use whatever you want, some red wine, whatever. I happen to have some mushroom stock that I made, or chicken stock that I made a while ago. that I'm going to use after these greens melt down a bit. So now I've added about 80 milliliters of chicken stock, and it's time to plate the dish. First we'll get some of this flavor off the bottom of this pan. The other advantage of getting the flavor off the bottom of the pan, besides getting the flavor that you've built up over the cooking time, is it makes the pan a lot easier to clean. Now we'll put the chicken thigh on top, and there we have it. Chicken thigh with sauteed dandelion greens. That turned out really well. I highly recommend it.